OneDrive. Keeping documents and files within reach has become possible with the top free cloud storage solutions such as Microsoft OneDrive. Signing up with Microsoft can help users in keeping everything in one place. It earlier provides 15 GB of free space to the users but has now reduced to 5 GB. It can be accessed from any device to any point of time, but is pre-installed in Windows. This cloud storage is considered to be the second most wanted storage among businessmen after the Dropbox storage cloud. The main disadvantage of Outlook was the user frustration of saving attachments from emails because of the number of steps that involved, but it has now become easier for the businesses to choose email attachment and save it directly in folders. Now it has also become easier to create Excel surveys and save it in OneDrive.